what's going on. Gonna try to get this mower working again. Hope to do that. Briggs and Stratton motor. Very hard start. Every time I want to start it, I burn a battery up. I gotta trickle charge it. I gotta literally turn the crank by hand to get the compression side, to get the compression right for the engine to turn freely. So I was on my way to buy a solenoid and a starter. Found out that these valves come out of adjustment easily. So we're going to try to do that. See if we can get this thing started and running. Got to cut the grass. So I got to push it in. I got to pump the tires up, push it in, and then I will do the adjustment on it. Alright. You gotta remove the valve cover, 10 millimeter. Alright, 10 millimeter socket. What's up, man? Dude, I think I know what's wrong with this thing. Remember how yours was hard starting? The valves in these machines, they get loose. It's common, dude, with these. I can't even start it, man. Every time I try to start it, I kill the battery, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, man. It's been ancient times since this thing even changed. What do you need, dude?
Piece of screen.
Screen?
Piece of old crappy screen, any kind of screen.
I know what you're doing. I got screen up there, new. I got old screens in here, crappy one. Once we get the valve cover off, we can see that this thing's use a breaker bar and you go ahead and compress the valve completely down. Oh, right there. Doesn't seem that loose. Fuck. I was hoping this was the issue. Anyway, it's supposed to be 4 thousandths. Maybe it's, you know, that little bit makes a difference here. Oh shit, yeah, it's loose as fuck, man. Oh yeah, it's really loose. Doesn't seem like it, but it is. So hopefully this will take care of our issue, man. Every time I want to mow the grass, it's like I gotta fix the mower 20 minutes, 30 minutes, charge the battery. It's like ridiculous. Plus it'll save on cost with the batteries too. Okay, an Allen key, and I don't know what size this is. There we go. 3/16. It seemed a little loose actually. $13mm. Actually, really loosen the bolt. This is your valve adjustment right here. Just to where it grabs. And back it off with just a touch. That's it. We'll do the other side. Just till it. Not loose either, but
If you're tired of stabbing your fingertips and your blood glucose, we have news that can change your mind. If you're on Medicare with diabetes, then you need to know there's an alternative method for checking your blood glucose every day. You don't need to stab your fingertips anymore. The Embrace Feeder from Diabetes Care Club is easier to use and nearly painless. And the best news is the Diabetes Care Club is running a huge one of these feeders. This method hurts less, and because you can see and hear the result, it may be easier to understand. Call now to find out why. And quarterly reinformation and join Diabetes Care Club. Membership is free. So,
do the other side. These are actually rubber grommets. You don't want to bend these up. And valve cover gasket, right? Same.
Pretty drastic, maybe salt, maybe a murder, something like that. But it's very extreme. Anyone wearing a tracksuit that isn't burned faces a gruesome fate.
It's got a fuel pump connection here, which looks like a pulse.
They will try to verify if those light bulbs are authorized to be put on. If they're not,
Good disconnect right on this side.
they'll be given the go ahead to take them off. Taking them off meaning they're going to cut them off. That has happened, yes.
I got like all my shits off for my ground. So that was it, the valve adjustment, which is sweet because now we got the mower back. And it costs no money. The starter was money, the solenoid was money, fucking batteries I went through, you wouldn't believe it. I thought cranking it, and it wasn't. I can't get that the idle right, but I think the governor, maybe carbs are fucked up. I haven't cleaned them, and I never cleaned them. So that's it. Thanks.